In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog using ChatGPT with prompt templates. This process is simple and can be quite rewarding, especially if you're looking to generate fresh, engaging content for your blog. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head to Google. Once there, type ChatGPT into the search bar and press enter. ChatGPT is a tool developed by OpenAI, designed to assist you with writing, brainstorming, and much more by leveraging the power of advanced artificial intelligence. Once you have your search results, look for the official ChatGPT website. It should be one of the top results. And it's important to select the correct one to ensure you're using the genuine platform. Click on the link to navigate to the ChatGPT website. Now that you're on the ChatGPT homepage, you'll see a space where you can enter your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Think about the topic you want to cover in your blog post. It could be anything from the benefits of a plant-based diet to latest tech gadgets of 2025. Type your chosen prompt into the text box. Here's a handy tip. Be as specific as possible with your prompt to get the best results. For example, if you want a blog about healthy eating, specify if you want recipes, nutritional tips, or perhaps ways to integrate healthy habits into a busy lifestyle. After you've entered your prompt, simply click on the Submit button. This action sends your request to ChatGPT, and it will begin generating the content based on your prompt. Next, keep an eye on the output. ChatGPT will produce a piece of content that aligns with the topic you provided. Take a moment to review the text it generates. While ChatGPT is quite adept at producing high-quality writing, it's always a good idea to read through and tweak the content to match your personal style or voice. Sometimes, the first try might not meet your expectations perfectly. That's completely normal. If this happens, you can refine your prompt to provide more detailed instructions or try a different angle on your topic. Simply edit your prompt in the search bar and hit Submit again. Flexibility is key here. Experiment with different prompt structures until you're satisfied with the generated text. In summary, using ChatGPT to draft blog posts can save you time and provide you with fresh perspectives. Remember to start with a clear idea of your topic, craft a specific and articulate prompt, and be ready to adapt and modify the content to fit your unique voice. With practice, you'll quickly become adept at using AI to enhance your blogging experience. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to writing a blog using ChatGPT and prompt templates. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!